From the Geoprocessing pane, drag another copy of the Make Feature Layer tool onto the model canvas and place it next to the vegetation oval. Connect the vegetation oval to the Make Feature Layer 2 tool and select Input Features as the parameter. Right-click the tool to open it. Name the output layer Dense Conifer. Enter an expression with these three clauses. Cover type is equal to TPP, or cover type is equal to TWS, and density 96 is equal to C. Click the SQL button and add parentheses around the first two clauses. Verify the expression and click OK.